pipe and drape is a great solution for masking off an area or changing the landscape of your event space. Here you see enough hardware for one section. The parts per section are minimal, but generally multiple sections are utilized. Bases have multiple placement options when attaching the mounting peg. This allows for flexibility with concealing the bases in your final presentation, different securing methods, and options for accommodating wind if outdoors. With the base assembled, you can then insert the peg into the upright post. Raise the pole up to your desired height and it will lock into place. To lower, lift the tab buttons on either side of the head of the post. Upright tops have 4 slots to continue the wall or to make a 90-degree turn. Crossbars can be adjusted by pulling them until the lock tab engages. Push it in and continue to pull for the next increment. They can adjust from 6 feet to 12 feet. Then fit the end tab into the slot on the upright post. Now we can assemble a section. Roughly place your bases, add the upright posts, and add weight to the bases before introducing the drapes. Fabric drapes will have a pull pocket on the edge. The seam is more visible from one side, so be sure to keep that in mind and make sure all the drapes used are uniform in this respect when hung. Adding the drape is as simple as sliding the crossbar into the pull pocket. Once your drapes and crossbar are in place, make sure it is evenly spread. Drapes come in different widths, but you want to make sure you have a little bit extra so the drapes can be ruffled a bit. You want to generally extend to a height that leaves the drapes just touching the ground. The top ends of the drape can then be stretched over the tops of the upright poles for a more finished look. This is especially effective with multiple sections. Finally, make some last adjustments to make sure the drape is even and hides the upright poles. If in a high traffic or breezy area, double-sided tape can be used to further secure the drapes. We look forward to helping you with your pipe and drape needs for your next event.